Merry Christmas. Well, it's cold out here this morning. Warm next to this griddle. Look, we just want to take a little short time. Not going to take a bunch of your morning. Just want to wish you a very Merry Christmas from the Crazy Pop and the Crazy Crew. They're all in there opening, they're checking all their presents out, having a great time. Got me out here on the Blackstone cooking up some breakfast for everybody. Yeah, that's what Christmas morning is about, is a family. So enjoy your family today. I just want to get on here real fast, do a little short. I haven't done any shorts. This is kind of our first. And just wish you all a very, very Merry Christmas from our house to yours.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
In case you're wondering what we are cooking on here, we have some sausage patties, man. We got some red links on here right now. I got some eggs I'm fixing to throw on here. We got some biscuits we're gonna do up, some toast, and we got about 15 or so people coming over this morning. So I got to get all this cooked up and get everything ready and get all this done so we can have our Christmas day with our family. And I hope you and yours is having a very, very Merry Christmas. So once again, from our house here at the Crazy Acres to you, wherever you may be, hope you have a very, very Merry Christmas.